Hello students, welcome to MKG Online Study and e-learning platform. In this video, we are going to learn about advantages and disadvantages of digital communication system. In my previous video, I have already discussed what are analog communication system and digital communication system. Do watch that video. The benefits of digital communication over analog are as follows. In digital signal, the impact of noise interference distortion is less. As you know that noise and distortion mainly occurs in analog signal. So when we are converting an analog signal into digital, there will be less amount of noise and distortion. It facilitates video conferencing that saves time, money and effort. We can perform video conferencing with someone or a group of people without any traveling. In video conferencing, we can see the facial expression which are helpful in reading the reaction of the people. Digital communication is easy to implement and less expensive. एनालॉग कम्युनिकेशन जो है वो कॉस्टली होता है, डिफ़िकल्ट रहता है इम्प्लीमेंट करने में. डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन इज यूज्ड इन मिलिट्री एप्लीकेशंस. The correction and detection of errors are easy in digital communication as there is a use of channel coding. Signal processing function such as encryption and compression are employed in digital circuits to maintain the secrecy of the information. Encryption और decryption, compression, decompression ये सब हम digital circuits में कर सकते हैं, जिसके थ्रू encryption, decryption के थ्रू डेटा कोई और यूज़ नहीं कर सकता. कंप्रेशन डिकम्प्रेशन से हम उसको कंप्रेस्ड करके ज़्यादा डेटा सेंड कर सकते हैं. Probability of error occurrence is reduced by employing error detecting and error correcting codes. Spread spectrum technique is used to avoid signal jamming. Combining digital signal using time division multiplexing is easier than combining analog signals using frequency division multiplexing. As compared to analog signal, it is easy to save and retrieve digital signal. In digital signal, the conferring process is easy as compared to analog signal. Error correction and detection of errors are easy in digital communication as there is a use of channel coding. There is a common encoding technique in most digital circuits for a number of processes. Similar devices can be used. The probability of crosstalk is very less in digital communication. In digital communication, to avoid signal jamming, the spread spectrum technique is used. It also facilitates us with audio conferencing by which we can talk to someone or a group of people in another location without traveling. Thus it saves time, efforts and money. So these are advantages of digital communication. Another advantage is the implementation of hardware is more flexible in digital communication. To maintain the secrecy of information, the signal processing function like compression and encryption are employed in digital circuits. Digital communication is cheaper and simpler compared to analog signal because of the advancement of IC technologies. So now disadvantage. Limitation of digital communication are as there is a high power consumption in digital communication. There is a requirement for synchronization in the case of synchronous modulation. There is sampling error. The most common limitation of digital communication is that it requires more transmission bandwidth. It is due to the higher data rate because of analog to digital conversion. Digital communication requires analog to digital conversion at high data rate. There can be possibility of miscommunication if a user doesn't understand something. So these are the disadvantages. Thank you for watching this video.